Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to ask you to subscribe. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe.
Hey.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You have to be faith. You've got to be faith. What's it?
Gotta have faith.
Got to be failure. What?
Oh my gosh,
Gotta
you
have
are
faith,
so...
Lee. Gotta have faith, Lee.
You are not serious right now.
You are not serious right now. Wait, is that? Oh, I thought that was the channel. What's the channel?
Gotta have faith, Lee.
Gotta have faith, Lee. Ladies and
I
gentlemen,
don't
make sure you
rate you
subscribe and like to You Gotta Have Faith, Lee. Yes,
Period,
she's the
period.
lady. Opoboze Izinyo.
Oh,
so
no.
please subscribe.
Hey bestie, welcome back to the channel. This is a vlogity vlog. So we're currently at church. Then after church, we decided to go to Pick n Pay just to buy a few stuff with my mom. I was literally just her driver for the day, which is really just good vibes. Please do subscribe to jump post notifications. It's just like a simple days of our lives vlog. You know what's up? My mom really had me running and walking around Pick n Pay, guys. Imagine what a stressful season. So the next day was Thursday because I didn't vlog the other days, and basically I had like a makeup appointment at Legacy of Daniel. Please check them out on Instagram, TikTok, etc. I went to do my face, and let's just see the process and trust the process, I guess.
Say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, baby.
we make way. And that's what today is about. It's about finding those workable solutions. But I think overall...
And so I say, when I look at, fast forward to today, and I look at the corporate environment, and what we can do, those are corporate.
A day, I actually arrived in this job. 3 meals a day, 300 rand, a room in the back of the hotel. I'm a 20-year-old. What more do you want? I arrived. Your comfort zone is not. But sometimes when you're in a comfort zone, you don't grow. There in my comfort zone, I'm drinking boom, I get fired. I'm crying. Ugly crying, let me just tell you, Kevin. Ugly. You can't even control it. In the midst of that, an idea comes to me. It says, but you know, you've got your aunt, CN Giga, 52 standard pensions, 60 Plain Street, gonna plane in Wanderer. Yeah, boy. I'm going to Joburg. I'm so excited. I pick my little bag. We can go to the next slide. I pick my little bag. I catch a train. I saw a taxi, Capewood, to the main train station in NPE, right? I tried to buy.
So there's still that culture shock. So I ended up having a meeting with our accounting lecturer at the time, and it was such interest hearing all the speakers speak today.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to ask you to subscribe. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You have to be faith. You've got to be faith. What's it?
Gotta have faith.
Got to be failure. What?
Oh my gosh,
Gotta
you
have
are
faith,
so...
Lee. Gotta have faith, Lee.
You are not serious right now.
You are not serious right now. Wait, is that? Oh, I thought that was the channel. What's the channel?
Gotta have faith, Lee.
Gotta have faith, Lee. Ladies and gentlemen,
I
make
don't
sure you
rate you
subscribe
anymore.
and like to You Gotta Have Faith, Lee. Yes,
Period,
she's the
period.
lady Opoboze Izinyo.
Oh,
so
no.
please subscribe.
변해가는 계절들을 맞아줄 거야. 그런 말로 너를 붙잡을 순 없지만 많은 계절을 마주친 너에게 이 마음 하나 비춰주려 해. 떠나는 거는 네 맘이 흐려지지 않게. So please don't cry. 약속할 테니 유난히 짙고 긴 밤 견디던 너의 날 눈물을 참지 못해 문득 고개를 들며 반짝이는 별을 따라 다시 돌아올 길을 찾을 거야. 이제
is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, purchase of God, born of His Spirit, washed in